In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to prevent your computer from going to sleep on your MacBook macOS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is select the Apple logo up in the menu bar and then go down and select System Settings. On the left panel, select the Energy button. And then on the right side where it says Prevent Automatic Sleeping when the display is off, go ahead and just toggle that to the right to enable that. So it will prevent automatic sleeping when the display turns off. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.